What are you doing, Weechie? Hey. Hey, you're not supposed to peek under there. That's where your Christmas present's hiding. So it's almost Christmas, so I want them to have this Christmas morning. So today we're going to put together the kitty's Christmas present. Oh, I wonder what it is. So let's take the blanket off it. It's a box! Oh, it's a box! It's your favorite thing ever! I bet there's something in it though. So let's open it up. What's that, baby? It looks to be a cat tree! Yay! I don't know how well you can see this, but that's pretty much what it's supposed to look like when I'm done. Right there. That's the one. We'll see if I actually do it right. I have to say, I'm really impressed with how this thing's packaged, because I don't know if you can see the whole box, but yeah, you can. There's not really any room in here for anything else. Like, these are here, and there's something under there. Even, like, this thing has parts inside it. Like, these tubes are inside there, and so we're going to take everything out and spread it out and figure out what we got. Okay, we got some ramps and some poles, 2 boxes, 3 of these cool platforms, and 3 big flat pieces. So I'm going to grab the instruction manual and we're going to start from the beginning. What are you doing? I got to put it together first. Daddy's got to put... Look at you guys. That's not even together yet. Here, let me put it together and then you can sleep on it. Hey, I'm working here. Hey. Hey. Hey, I'm working here. I gotta put it together, then you can play with it. Alright, Sid already is on there and he's digging it. Oh yeah, he is. Here, I'll try to get a shot of the whole thing here. That's the top. Oh my god. Hey, leave my spaceship alone. Hey! Hey, leave my spaceships alone. Those are for observing, not for cats chewing on.
Yeah, and A-Wings are not cheap.
Yeah. Oh, Chewy's figuring it out. And we can get Weechie up here too. I think they're going to be happy with this. And you can see it starts way down here, and we got a level there with the little house, and then they can climb up again. We got another level with the little house, and then they got 3 platforms. So I can have 3 kitties sitting way up where, above my head pretty much. I'm actually holding this camera up as high as I can just to get this shot. And you can see, like, I don't know if you can see me in the shot, but it's taller than me. It's 6 feet tall. I am not. Oh, look how happy they are. I love you. Let me scratch you. There you go. And this is what it's going to be for the next week, is these guys duking it out on this cat tree, I think. So if you guys want to see more of them playing on the cat tree, you're going to have to continue to tune in, because this is the end of this video. I have to get ready for Christmas tomorrow. Yay, more presents for the kitties tomorrow. Yes, come back tomorrow and I have a whole bunch of gifts for them, from me, from other people, stuff that people have sent me. So come back tomorrow, check it out. Hopefully I can get them off of this thing long enough to open some gifts. And if not, I guess, well, there'll be a bunch of video of this in the tree. See you tomorrow.